Every morning, millions of people wake up to the comfort of their home, enjoying the luxury of warmth whenever they need it, a hot shower at the turn of a tap, the perfect temperature for living and working. Everyone wants to be comfortable wherever they are. As the most global company in the heating and hot water industry, Ariston Thermo has brought comfort like this to more people around the world than anyone else. But with comfort comes responsibility. Today, heating and hot water account for 80% of domestic energy consumption. So delivering energy efficiency as well as comfort is vital. That's why every morning, our 6,500 people in Ariston Thermo factories and companies around the world go to work to develop heating and hot water solutions that deliver maximum comfort from minimum energy. With our range of strong international and regional brands, we have earned the trust of our customers for over 80 years. Worldwide manufacturing and commercial operations in over 150 countries means we're global in scale, but we also have strong local roots. We're highly responsive to our customers' changing needs, and we're constantly innovating to enhance our customers' experience by making our products easier to install and maintain and easier to use. To do this, we improve the efficiency of traditional products like boilers, water heaters and burners. And we produce our own world-leading patented components to ensure quality, safety, and reliability. We innovate by developing renewable energy solutions, such as solar thermal and heat pumps. And we're committed to generating 80% of our business from high-efficiency and renewable energy solutions by 2020. Of course, energy efficiency is delivered as much by people as by technology. Marketing experts understanding customers' needs in every market. Engineers and designers creating attractive, high-quality, high-performance products. Installers and service engineers maximizing the efficiency of systems throughout their life. And, most importantly, customers being able to choose the best solution for their needs wherever they are. What's more, we're making the world an altogether more comfortable place. And the world is beginning to take notice. We are Ariston Thermo. We deliver energy-efficient comfort every day.